Today I'm going to show you guys a super easy DIY. It is a craft that even your kids can do, and it is super affordable. It is these cute little buffalo check bows that are made from napkins, and I'm going to show you how right now. All you need are a few simple things that you can easily buy at your local grocery store and even dollar stores. So all I'm using are some buffalo check napkins that I found at my local grocery store for about $3 a pack, some flexible silver wire that I found at the dollar store for $1.25, and then you just need some scissors for cutting the wire. And it's very simple. You just take your napkin and you're just gonna fold it into an accordion like that. And then you just wrap the wire around it a few times with the edges sticking out at the back. Like that. It's so simple, even children could do this. This could be a very fun craft to do with children because it's really not very complicated. If you're wanting to hang them on your tree, just take the wire ends at the back, twist them together, and then form them into a hook that is standing upright. So then you're able to just hook your bow on the tree like that. And for the bows that you are adding to a garland, just leave the wires open at the back, don't twist them together, and just simply twist them around one of the branches on your garland. If it's facing down, and if you have an artificial garland, just bend, because sometimes they kind of go like that when you twist them on, so just bend the branch upwards, and then your bow will be sitting properly on your garland. And here you have it. A very simple, very inexpensive way to add some homemade ornaments that the whole family can do together to your tree and to your garland. And I've even added one over to my wreath. It really helps tie a room together, and basically doing it all for under $4. You can't go wrong. If this was helpful and you enjoyed this video, please comment below. I'd love to hear from you.